Welcome to the Four Wheel Camper showroom. Behind me is a Fleet slide-in base model. It fits mid-sized trucks with a 6-foot bed. Let's do a walk around starting with the exterior passenger side. On this side we have a large window. Here is where you could choose one of our awning options, and up top we have customizable roof racks. Coming around the back is our standard porch light. You could add additional options to the exterior of your camper, such as exterior floodlights or steps to reach the roof. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side of this camper, we have a nice clean slate. Down below are the vents to the batteries with the included solar option in this specific camper. If you were to add our furnace option, you would also have the exhaust right here, as well as an additional window. Let's pop the top and check out the inside. Welcome to the interior of the Fleet slide-in base model. As you can see, this camper offers an open floor plan. Here on the passenger side, we have this kind of bench seating from the front of the camper to the back and storage underneath. On the driver's side of the camper, we have that same kind of bench configuration with the storage underneath. This would go all the way to the back of the camper. However, this specific model has added the solar option, so this is where the batteries live. If you were also to add an option like the furnace, that would live here, as well as propane storage underneath. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. The pop-top portion of your camper is vinyl, and it comes with 4 windows. Each has a screen layer, a clear layer, and a privacy layer. If you do want additional insulation, check out our thermal pack. Up top, we have 4 dimmable LED lights, as well as a powered fan. If you want additional circulation in your camper, you can get an additional fan above the bed. In the cab over area, we have the slide-out bed. The standard size is a queen, but you can opt for a king size, which is great because it allows you to sleep in any direction. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. To customize your own rig and get an accurate quote, use the Build My Camper tool on the Four Wheel Campers website, and we'll see you down the trail.